In this video, I'm going to show you how to add follow button to your Facebook profile, okay? The first thing we do is click on the Facebook application, then we refresh it. And kindly remember to follow this video step by step by not skipping so you don't make any mistake, okay? We'll want to click on our profile picture on the far right. We'll click on the gear icon here, okay? Now we scroll down and first we'll want to click on posts. Make sure that your posts are public, okay? Okay, then scroll back by the arrow back button, then click on followers and public content. Here you want to ensure that who can follow you is set to public, okay? Okay, then who can see your followers on your timeline, you can restrict this one to friends or only me, then this one's to friends, okay? Who can see people pages that follow you, friends or public, okay? Then this one you can just remain as public like this, okay? Then you go back and click on how people can find and contact you. Change these ones to who can send you friend request. Make sure that this one is set to friends of friends. Then who can see your friend list. Make sure this is set to friends, okay, or only you, okay? Then who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number and email address. Change this one to friends. Then this one's to friends, okay? Then scroll back once again, okay? Then refresh your Facebook profile once again, okay? Then click on your profile picture, click on your profile name, then click on these three dots. You want to scroll down until you see this place for turn on professional mode, turn it on, okay? Now click next, okay? Then default audience, then click next, confirm the settings, and scroll back once again, the arrow back buttons. Then refresh. Now what you want to do once again, just scroll back, click on your profile picture, click on your profile name, then click on the three dots. Then here you want to click on view us. Now you see people who view your page will be seeing the follow button instead of add friend button. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.